thought it was low impact. So here we are.
And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself.
Hi, good morning. Happy Saturday. So it's about to be 12. I know. I overslept. Overslept is an understatement. I don't know. I think I slept for more than 12 hours, and I woke up in the morning, but I just didn't feel like getting out of bed. So I spent some more time in bed. I was on my phone, and then here we are. And now I'm super hungry because I did not eat yesterday's dinner. I didn't feel like eating it in the night, but now I'm really hungry. So I took my weight, I have taken my progress pictures, and I'm thinking I'll also, because I slept early, I forgot to keep chia seeds in the night. So what I'm going to do now is I'll prepare an egg omelette, and I'm thinking 3 eggs because I'm really hungry. So 3 eggs, then we'll do bread, we'll do a cheese slice as well. So and our breakfast is ready. So I added a lot of palak, and I added a cheese slice and 3 eggs because I wanted to have a filling breakfast. And oh, I forgot to take coffee. I want to work out today, so I'm thinking something with weights. So I have to find a workout, but I think I'll take 1 second. I'll be back. And I'm back. So this is cold brew. I'm going to have this and have my breakfast, and then I'll get to my workout. Should we do a taste test? I have to remove my liners. Okay. It was a good idea to add cheese. I like it.
Every whisper, every sigh, I make a memory to give. In the echoes of our love, in the dreams that we see. When the day turns into night and the stars slowly align, I'll be dreaming of this until the day that I die. I'll be dreaming of this until the day that I die. Until the day that I die.
Just the first round. Just the first round.
Every whisper, every sigh, I make a memory to give. In the echoes of our love, in the dreams that we see. When the day turns into night and the stars slowly align, I'll be dreaming of this until the day that I die. Through the highs and lows, in the wind that blows, you're the story that unfolds. Yeah, I can feel you there.
and we are done with the workout. I cried like 4 times today. I thought it was low impact. I swear it was a 40 minutes workout and it took me an hour and a half. Not even kidding. It was good. I feel my body was challenged a lot today, and I'm really proud that we finished it. It is 10-15 minutes after the workout and I was chugging water like crazy, so I thought I'll have a protein shake. This is cold coffee flavored, so I thought I'll have this instead of water because I feel like my body needs it. And also I oiled my hair today because I can see some issues with my hair, and I think regularly oiling my hair, it helps my hair. So, but with work, I think weekdays I'm not able to, so we did it today because it's Saturday. So I'm thinking, let's take this self-care Saturday to another step and do a nose strip and Multani Mitti mask as well. Let's start with the deep cleansing nose strip. There are times when I do this weekly, but I haven't done it in a month or two, I think. So this is how it looks like. Just dipped it into water and I'll just put it on my nose. I feel like that's good. I'm sure the instruction says to do it differently, but I think this works for me. So I dip it in water and then put it on my nose. It dries up in 10 to 15 minutes. So we are done with that. We have Multani Mitti as well. So the last Multani Mitti mask that I had, I'm not so regular with my face products, so I do like to do masks on weekends. So the last mask that I had, it expired and I didn't even use it. So this time I ordered dry Multani Mitti. So it was dry and it was like basically dry powder. So I added some honey and water. Let's get into it. I was trying to mix it with toothpick, but that wasn't really working. So I should probably do it with a brush, but I don't know, I'm too lazy to wash my brush regularly, like the face makeup brushes. So I guess even for face packs I'm going to do the same. Hence I took a little bit of Multani Mitti, but when I mixed, I lost my chain of thought. Anyway, I think it's a bit more. That's what I was saying. I should probably use a mirror. It's difficult to check in my phone's screen. Oh, so many spots remaining. Did I cover everything? Should I apply a bit on my neck too? Let's do it. Oh, I put some in my hair. 1 second. Hello, it's 6 in the evening and I just took a shower and I was really hungry for some reason. I wanted to eat, so I made avocado toast and I want to eat an orange too. I mean, the workout today was so intense that I don't know, I think I had a protein shake right after my workout. I had eggs in the morning. I ate 3 eggs and I had added cheese and spinach to it, which was fine for a couple of hours, but I think yeah, it's been a long time. I think I had my protein shake at around 4 and I just felt hungry now. Not too hungry to have a meal, but something lighter than a meal. I'm peeling my orange. And our pasta is ready. I am sitting with salt because I could not taste it, and because of aligners, and I have a feeling that it has less salt. So let's do a taste test. I want to eat broccoli first. Broccoli. Salt is fine. You don't need salt. I wanted to make red sauce pasta, and usually the tomatoes are red, but today they were not as red, so it turned out to be pink pasta. Sometimes in this sauce I like to add red capsicum as well. I didn't have it today, so